In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your Humana account. Now, Humana is a health insurance company. It has many plans, many insurance plans for you guys, so be sure to check them out. Now, to log into your Humana account, go to your web browser and then search for Humana. After you searched in for Humana, just go ahead and open its website. Then after you've opened it, on the top right, you can see a sign in option. Click on that. Or you can just go scroll down to your page that you search Humana on, and then right below you'll see the sign in option. Now after you've come to this site, here you need to type in your username. Now you need to type in the username that you have used while you have created this account, and then the password. Now after you've done so, you can just click on this remember username button so that your laptop or your device remembers your login, and then simply click on sign in. After you've clicked on sign in, you will get signed in to your Humana account. Now if you don't have an account, you can just go to this button right here that says activate online account, and then you'll be good to go. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.